Today I'm going to show you how to use looping to help you when you are coding in the Tynker program. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Tynker from your Google Chrome browser by double-clicking. Remember, you have to go into Tynker through Clever, or else you will not be able to access your classes. So I'm going to click on Tynker and wait for it to open. Make sure it says Clever. Then you're going to click on My Classes. Now I have lots of classes because I'm teaching all of you, but you're going to find your class and you're going to click on it. I'm going to go up here that says Amy's Classroom and click on it. I'm going to look at the lessons in Programming 101, which many of you are doing, just to show you what to do. When I click on Lessons, I'm going to go to the Introduction, and I'm going to find the one that says Repetition with Loops. This is just to help you understand when you get to this point in your coding class. I'm going to click on Repetition with Loops, and our friend Cody is going to come up. Now, the purpose of this is they want to get the candy and end up reaching the gumdrop. Now, the first thing you can do is you can count how many steps are there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it would take 9 to get to the gumdrop. So I'm going to read down here and it says click anywhere to continue. So I'm going to click, and then it talks about the repeat. It says the repeat block makes Cody repeat whatever blocks are connected inside of it. So here it says you want to use repeat 9 times for the walk. That will get the person to the end where the jelly bean is. But I want to show you what happens first. I can use walk 9 different times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That took a lot of work. It's still going to get me to the end. Watch. She ate the yummy gumdrop. But I'm going to try to replay it so you can see how the loop will help me to do that faster in a lot less steps. So once again, I'm going to look at the repeat 9 for the 9 steps and the walk. So instead of putting the walk in 9 times, I'm going to use the repeat. I'm going to put my repeat, and then all I have to do is put my walk in 1 single time instead of having to drag it over 9 times. Now you'll be able to see what happens with the repeat. She was still able to get the gumdrop, but using a lot less steps. That's called using a loop or looping. I'm going to also show you what we could do with the next lesson. Now we want to get to the gumdrop without hitting the bottle caps. So watch what they're going to tell us to do. I click and it says on start. Now I want to use my repeat again. And I have to think what I want to do. Well, there's a bottle cap and I don't want to land on it. So I'm going to jump. And then I'm going to need to walk and walk. And then I should be ready to jump again. And then if I repeat it, I would do walk, walk, jump, walk, walk. And if I programmed it properly, it should get me to the gumdrop. Let's see how I did. Well, that didn't work. Oops, I need to go back and see if I can fix my bug. Let's try again. So I want to jump, and then I want to walk. Let's try it with only 1 walk and see what happens. a lot of coding you have to try and see what happens. And then if it doesn't work, you go back and fix it. So let's try it this way. Oh, she reaches the gumdrop. Looks like we were able to fix our code. Now she has to skip over the Legos to get to the gumdrop. Let's look at it one more time to see if we can use looping to help us get to the gumdrop. So this time we have the same options and we want to repeat them twice. So remember, they go inside the repeat. So I'm going to jump. That should take me over the blue Lego. And then I'm going to walk. And then I should be able to jump. And then I should be able to walk. And hopefully I'll reach the gumdrop. I'm going to try it now. And if it doesn't work, then I just go back and see what I can do to make it work. Oh, it looks like I need one more walk to get to the gumdrop. So my code worked pretty well, but it wasn't quite perfect. So I don't want to repeat the final walk. So I'm going to add that to the bottom underneath the repeat. Now let's see if we can get her to the gumdrop. Yum, yum. Hopefully by watching me, you'll now be able to see how the looping can help you get to the gumdrop with a lot less steps. You don't have to type it in or drag it in every single time. You use the repeat to help you.